Dude, I would not hit this fast ever. It is.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna go check out an abandoned ship. This ship has a lot of history. It's stuck off in a creek off the Ohio River. Apparently Madonna's shot a music video on it. I don't know. And Thomas Edison's been on it. I know that for a fact. So let's go check it out. Let's get to the video. Yeah. Interesting. It's not, it doesn't really look that comfy. Yeah, typically this is my favorite way to sit. Yeah. Dude, I would not hit this fast ever. It is so rough. And then this turn, coming the opposite direction, you're riding straight into the sun, and there's a guardrail. Right there. Oh, there's a little place that can park. So all your stuff gets stolen. I don't like the hill my bike's on. Oh man, this is definitely way popular than I thought it was gonna be. It's almost like every YouTuber comes down here, gets a video.
Yeah, I don't like that. I gotta go the other way.
They drive their Subaru down here.
Sorry, I've never actually driven stick before.
Oh, you take your time, bub.
The kickstand wouldn't hold it on the right.
Yeah, you'll have that on them big jobs. Look at that new boy, dude. Literally new boy. 2018. Alright, so Gage bought a boat off Facebook Marketplace. He's wanting to show me it.
Bought a kite on
Off an auction lot. Oh, dude. We should have definitely brought kayaks on our bikes. What'd you pay for it?
Well, I told you that I couldn't sell it.
121-year-old ghost ship abandoned in the Ohio River, Kentucky.
It was written a few times by Thomas Edison and appeared in a Madonna music video, the USS Station. It was launched 10 years before the Titanic departed in 1902. Initially a luxury ride for a railroad mogul and turned warship that powered through both world wars, including a few times with Thomas Edison aboard.
while he did wartime experiments. During World War II, the ship became outdated with new technology, advanced ships. It was then purchased in the late 40s by a quickly growing cruise line in New York City, and the station became a recreational vessel, once again used a fishing and party boat, and later a sightseeing ship that ferried nearly 3 million people around New York. Started her career as a cruise ship under the name Sightseer, and eventually ending it as final identity, the Circle Line, in which the faded name that can still be found on the wall of New York City.
Yeah, I want to look up Madonna's music video.
Yeah, that's true. How did it end up in this final location? The vessel was purchased in 1986 by private owner Robert Miller with an attempt to repair it, but reparations didn't go well. It reportedly took 10 days to move the ship from New York, and after being navigated down the Mississippi by Miller and his crew, she was anchored on a small tributary, I'm guessing whatever the fuck we're in, off the Ohio River on Miller's property. Water levels dropped so much that the ship became mirrored in the mud. Miller didn't have the funds to move it, so the ship sat there never to sail again. Yeah, just like I said.
Well, when was that?
Wait, when was what?
When did Miller park this bitch here? They've got trees growing out.
1986, it was purchased by a private owner, Robert Miller. So I'd say about 86 ago. That really ain't that long,
It's got trees growing out of it, dude.
Dude, that's what I said. I was trying to tell you that. It's like little trees growing up the top of this fucking motor.
Like, it's got a whole root system.
That's what's holding the fucking motor.
Dude, it's got a whole root system.
That's what's holding the motor.
Tie wire. Definitely Detroit. Maybe a Cummins. Online will probably tell you. Dude, I want these in my wedding pictures. You can tell not too many people are gearheads because the passenger line clear is on that way.
Yeah, they didn't get too far.
Oh, it says
GM?
Yeah.
Detroit.
Can confirm it is Detroit motor engine.
Imagine just how much cooler this would be though if nobody ever touched it with spray paint.
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's something written on it.
Yeah, if people didn't vandalize.
I'm checking facts, son. I'm trying not to fall on my waterproof shoes.
So this boat came from here to here. This is why you don't buy big boats. Look at this, dude! Could you imagine hitting that guardrail and just sailing off that hill? Oh my gosh. Oh, dude. Dundies. Somebody hit it. That's somebody hitting that guardrail. They bounced off of it like a pinball. Probably a Miata. I'm chugging along. This place up here does haunted hayrides. Or haunted hayrides up here on your left. Yeah. I forget the name of it every time I drive by it. Nah, dude. It is, but it isn't. What'd that sign say? Sandling and something.
Sunny Acres. But yeah, they got like people that hang out in houses with chainsaws and stuff. Right? Yeah, look at that. That's a setup, boy. Dang.
That's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comments what your favorite part of the video was. Give me some feedback. I like checking out old historic things. I think it's pretty fun to shoot them and learn about the history of them, honestly. We'll see you guys in the next one.